Hello folks, it's Gary JSF and thanks for watching this video. It's just the little Neo. I'm going to do the same tests with the little Neo that I did with the Flip on the motorbike. But I'll show you the little Neo in action. It's sitting there on spotlight mode. So there's a little pup there, and that's really very compliant, and I'll just do exactly the same test as what I did with the Flip. So that's the Neo, and let's get down to it, and we'll go for first the 4 meter droning. Right, that's it. We're under our 4 meter droning. The audio today is coming from the Mic Mini connected to the phone. So, and that's it coming back down again. So that's the 4 meter droning. Right, and now we're going for the 4 meter circle. So it'll just circle around you in your bike. It can be very pretty. Just unfortunately, unless by the graveyard, that's not the most exciting place to be. But that's working away, and the little Mic Mini's working away too. And now we're doing a 4 meter rocket, and that would be just looking down in your bike and you're down with your pride and joy. And that's it coming back down again, and then you just stick your hand out and it'll land on it. Right, and now we're going to go with the follow, and I can see the little toy in the rear view mirrors, so away we go. And it's just following along just lovely. Oh, it's slowed. I've tried this before, and there it comes now. So back up the car park at 13 mile an hour, 14 mile an hour, and the little boy was doing its best there. It's going right, like. And we'll go around again. And the little Neo is a real trooper. It really is. It does great stuff. And we'll bring it in to stop. So that's the follow mode. Nearly did run into the back. So now we're looking at spotlight, and the drone should stay in place and watch me as I get on the bike and then travel up and down. So here we go. We'll try that, and then you'll be able to get your ride by. So here we go. Just turn looking at me, turning around. So pick me up again. There you go. Cheesy grin to the camera. And away you go. So it may have lost me by this stage, but it will still keep looking for me, which is really, really good. So let's see. Up fast. There's the camera. Will it turn around? It will. Cheesy grin, of course. And then back. And then you can pull up this stop, and it should just, there it is, got me straight off, and pull up this stop. He seems to go past you and then comes back to have you in full frame. So that's right, trying direction track now, sitting looking at me. So let's see if it'll go. Yeah, this is the third time trying it, but it is doing the direction track alongside the bike. So let's see. Looking good. So let's see, will it come round? Seems to be doing the job just perfectly. You can hear the whine of the little motors over the the bike, but who can argue with something that that is tracking you and you can get a look at your bike. So the little Neo is doing a great job there. So just a couple of final, we'll go a droney for 10 meters, and then uh, I'll do the rocket for 10 meters with a twist in it, with a turn in it. So here we go. I'll pull in the first stop here. So when you stop, wait for 3 seconds, and put your hand out, wait for 3 seconds, and it should come into you. And here it comes. Right, now we're doing the 10 meter only, so you can see your bike and yourself there. That's going out 10 meters. And up, taking it on the rise. You can keep flat or go up. And let it come back down again. Right, that's the rocket. It's going up to 10 meters. As you can see in this one, it has rotation as it's going up, and it'll do rotation coming down. And it'll just, give you a bike. So that's it. So that's it on its way back down. But it's suffering a wee bit from wind, I was going to say, but that's something different. It's getting blown about a bit with the breeze. Let's should I say, and it has gone away from us a little bit. Okay, that's us back on spotlight mode, just looking at the bike and myself. So little Neo performs really well, and even managed to get a bit of active track there, although it took a third go for it to actually take off when I took off. But really good. But thanks for watching this video. If you've got to this far, I'm very impressed. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please hit a like. It always helps the channel. If you really liked it and want to see more, you can hit the subscribe or even the bell notification, and the bell notification will give you a notification when I put up videos. But most of all, thanks for watching this one. Gary JSF. Bye for now.